I got an announcement to make. You have earned your store is 5 stars. And your pen at that store, it is 1 star. Oh no! You don't even care anyways. The 5 stars for Pizza Cat Store. I want to go to the Pizza. I want to go to the Pizza store. I want to go to the Pizza Cat store. I want to go to the Pizza. I want to go to the Pizza. Pizza. I'll get you all your books. I'll get you all your books. Pizza Cat. No, I want 5 stars. I was sleeping for 2 days, so I'll go sleep now. I am gonna go to the Pizza Cat store. I like Pizza Cat Follow Ducks. Getting that right for you. Here you go, free. What? Thank you. I got a free book. Woohoo! Pizza Cat. This is the ultimate day ever. Woohoo! Pizza Cat! Woohoo! Pizza Cat! Woohoo! Bow, meow, 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 meow. The Pizza Cat store's open. What? I want to go. Oh, wait. I forgot. Huh.